If you're seeing a Facebook error that says, "with your request," don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and simple way to fix it. This kind of issue usually happens because of a bad page load, a browser problem, or a temporary connection issue. So before you assume something is broken permanently, let's walk through the easiest fixes step by step. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel out, and it lets me keep making these helpful guides for you. All right, let's get into it. First, check if the page URL is correct. Sometimes the error appears simply because the link you opened is wrong, incomplete, or outdated. Take a second to look at the address bar and make sure the page address is exactly what it should be. If you copied the link from somewhere else, try opening it again or pasting it carefully one more time. Next, refresh the page or reload the browser. A temporary loading issue can trigger this Facebook error, and in many cases, a simple refresh is enough to fix it. You can click the refresh button in your browser or use the keyboard shortcut if you prefer. If the page still doesn't load properly, close the tab and open it again. If that doesn't work, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores old files and session data that can interfere with Facebook pages loading correctly. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cached files and cookies. After that, restart the browser and try Facebook again. This often solves strange loading errors and login-related issues. Another important thing to check is your internet connection. If your connection is unstable, Facebook may fail to load the page and show a request error instead. Try opening another website to see if it loads normally. If other sites are also slow or not loading, restart your Wi-Fi, switch networks, or wait until your connection becomes stable again. If you're still getting the error after all of that, try opening Facebook in a different browser. Sometimes the problem is specific to the browser you're using, and switching from one browser to another can help you figure that out quickly. You can also try using an incognito or private window to test whether extensions or saved browser data are causing the issue. And here's one more useful tip. If you're using the Facebook app and seeing this error there, try force closing the app and opening it again. You can also update the app from your app store because an outdated version may cause request errors as well. So, to recap, the main steps are check that the page URL is correct, refresh the page or reload the browser, clear your browser cache and cookies, and make sure your internet connection is working properly. In most cases, one of those steps will fix the Facebook error with your request. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fast fixes and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.